Well, hello there and welcome to another training video. In this nugget, I'll be showing you on how to change WordPress admin password in Cpanel. So let's get started. Well, the first thing you'll want to do is to log in into your hosting account using your provided username and password. You'll then want to navigate down into where we have the database section. Take note that any password and information that you store in your server always goes in a database somewhere. Well, to get access to where WordPress stores its data and information, you navigate into the database and the number of database options that you can use depending on your skill, the simplest being selecting PHP MyAdmin. I'll click on PHP MyAdmin to log in, and I will be navigated into the WordPress database section. You can tell on the left area that I have quite a number of databases in here. The first thing I'll want to do is to select a database that hosts my WordPress installation. To get to know the database that hosts your WordPress installation, you'll navigate into your Tools section, navigate down into the File Manager option, navigate into the WordPress config file and check it from there. So very quick, navigate into WordPress config file, and from here you'll find out which database to manipulate for your installation. I'll navigate back into my installation and I'll pick one of the databases in here. And inside the database, there's quite a number of tables to work with. And so I'll navigate straight directly into the users database. When I click on the users database, it will show me the username, the password, and the email addresses that is used in logging in into the WordPress backend area. Now notice that the password is actually encrypted, and it's encrypted using a technology called MD hash5 or MD hash. So this is an example of an MD hash generator, which can definitely change any text into an MD5 password standard. And so you can tell I have the hash1 and the hash5 depending, and I can copy either of these to use on my database in here. Notice that I cannot type in here direct text password for my account. So I'll have to convert this into an MD hash. So here I'll assume the text is my password. So I'll just copy the MD5 hash, navigate back into my database, and on the user pass, I'll double click and of course highlight everything that is in there and Control V to paste. So if you navigate back into your WordPress backend login as window, you'll enter in your username that you had found in your database, and then you need to enter the password that you have just hashed in here. In WordPress, you will enter the text rather than the hash that you have encrypted in your database. Well, I hope you enjoyed, and if you like this video, click the like button and I'll see you in the next nugget.